Hi mate! My name is RD and I'm living in London. So if you watched my previous video, the unboxing one, and if you noticed, after I unboxed the bag, it has crease on it. Here's the video and photo for you to see. So, this is the Louis Speedy 30 dark bag. I returned the bag to Westfield City and my SA named Hilal. She's so helpful. She is so approachable and accommodating. So if you're planning to buy a Louis Vuitton, go to Westfield City and ask for Hilal. She will value your money and especially your time, which is very, very important to me. After 3 days, I got a new piece today. And I'm hoping that this time it will be flawless because I'm a little bit OC. So Hilal is very proactive. She placed the box of Louis Vuitton into this white paper bag. It's perfect because after Westfield City, I went to Regent Street to collect something and I don't want to walk into Regent Street and show off, if you know what I mean. So let's open it together. I have 2 receipts here. One receipt is for the return of the previous bag and the new receipt for the new bag. Here is the original paper bag. And let's get the box. Ooh. Oh. Here it is! Oh, I think Hilal did a very, very great job this time. Perfect. She did not fold the bag, which is very good. Let's all see together. Hilal told me that having a crease for this type of bag is very normal because this is so supple and soft. As you can see, it's very soft. Yeah. But I'll take care of this for sure. So here is the name tag. Oh. Ah, she put what's that? Tissue paper. Oh, very good. Put this aside. So here is the inside of the bag. Here is the shoulder strap, the leather tassel, the lock and the key. It's hard to open. Yep, the lock and the key. Yep. And of course, the very nice Gothic chain. Let me just attach everything and then I will show you the final look of my bag. Let's peel off the plastic. ASMR kuno. So guys, here's the final look of the bag. Remember this very rare piece fortune cookie? Look how beautiful this bag. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe.